So checking into Gateway Conoor, that's again a Taj property by IHCL. Hi, thank you.
Called Conoor Delight, ma'am. It is made up of like cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, lemon, and honey mixed.
Thank you so much.
Actually, it is a 170 years old property, ma'am. You can see the church nearby. The church is prior to this property earlier. The person used to come to the church used to stay in this property like homestay, cottages, and everything. We have like inventory of 32 rooms. None of the room has uniqueness in same category also. Each room has own characteristics. In fact, you have to stay 32 times to explore all the 32 rooms.
Cool, cool.
Right.
That sounds interesting. Thank you. Thank you
Thank you.
so much. So my room is 102, and like she said, every section is different. Every room is different. So let's wait for the surprise. So that's the church. Oh, we have a bonfire. Beautiful. Super cool. A different dressing section. And a compact bath area. So we're just right at the lawns.